بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Allah's name to commence with, the most gracious, the most merciful.
ألف لام را تلك آيات الكتاب المبين.
These are the verses of the luminous book.
أنزلناه قرآنا عربيا لعلكم تعقلون.
Indeed, we have sent it down as an Arabic Quran that you may understand.
نحن نقص عليك أحسن القصص بما أوحينا إليك هذا القرآن وإن كنت من قبله لمن الغافلين.
We relate to you the best narrative because we have sent the revelation of this Quran to you. Although you were indeed unaware before, are informing you about this.
إذ قال يوسف لأبيه يا أبت إني رأيت 11 كوكبا والشمس والقمر رأيتهم لي ساجدين.
Remember when Yusuf said to his father, "O my father, I saw 11 stars and the sun and the moon. I saw them prostrating to myself."
قال يا بني لا تقصص رؤياك على إخوتك فيكيدوا لك كيدا إن الشيطان للإنسان عدو مبين.
He said, "O my son, do not reveal your dream to your brothers, that they will devise a plot against you. Indeed, Satan is an open enemy of mankind."
وكذلك يجتبيك ربك ويعلمك من تأويل الأحاديث ويتم نعمته عليك وعلى آل يعقوب كما أتمها على أبويك من قبل إبراهيم وإسحاق إن ربك عليم حكيم.
And this is how your Lord will choose you and teach you how to interpret dreams, and will complete his favors upon you and upon the family of Yaqub, the way he completed it upon both your forefathers, Ibrahim and Ishaq. Indeed, your Lord is all-knowing, ever-wise.
لقد كان في يوسف وإخوته آيات للسائلين.
Indeed, in the story of Yusuf and his brothers are signs for those who inquire.
إذ قالوا ليوسف وأخوه أحب إلى أبينا منا ونحن عصبة إن أبانا لفي ضلال مبين.
When they said, "Indeed, Yusuf and his real brother are dearer to our father than us, and we are one group, undoubtedly our father is clearly deeply engrossed in his love."
اقتلوا يوسف أو اطرحوه أرضا يخل لكم وجه أبيكم وتكونوا من بعده قوما صالحين.
The brothers decided after a consultation, "Kill Yusuf or throw him somewhere in the land, so that your father's face, i.e., attention, may be directed towards only you, and then thereafter you become righteous by repenting."
قال قائل منهم لا تقتلوا يوسف وألقوه في غيابة الجب يلتقطه بعض السيارة إن كنتم فاعلين.
One One from amongst them said, "Do not kill Yusuf. Cast him into a dark well so that some traveler may come and take him away, if you are to do so."
قالوا يا أبانا ما لك لا تأمنا على يوسف وإنا له لناصحون.
They said, "O our father, what happened to you that you do not trust us with Yusuf, and we are his well-wishers?
أرسله معنا غدا يرتع ويلعب وإنا له لحافظون.
Send him with us tomorrow, so that he may eat fruits and play, and we are indeed his protectors."
قال إني ليحزنني أن تذهبوا به وأخاف أن يأكله الذئب وأنتم عنه غافلون.
He said, "Undoubtedly, I will be grieved that you take him away from me, and I fear that a wolf may eat him, and you may be unaware of him."
قالوا لئن أكله الذئب ونحن عصبة إنا إذا لخاسرون.
They said, "If the wolf eats him while we are a strong group, we are therefore of no use."
فلما ذهبوا به وأجمعوا أن يجعلوه في غيابة الجب وأوحينا إليه لتنبئنهم بأمرهم هذا وهم لا يشعرون.
Then when they took him away, and all of them agreed that they should cast him in the dark well, and we sent the revelation to him, "Yusuf, you will definitely tell them of their doing at a time that they will know not."
وجاءوا أباهم عشاء يبكون.
And at nightfall they came to their father weeping.
قالوا يا أبانا إنا ذهبنا نستبق وتركنا يوسف عند متاعنا فأكله الذئب وما أنت بمؤمن لنا ولو كنا صادقين.
They said, "O our father, we went far ahead racing, leaving Yusuf near our goods. A wolf henceforth ate him, and you will not believe us in the least, although we are truthful."
وجاءوا على قميصه بدم كذب قال بل سولت لكم أنفسكم أمرا فصبر جميل والله المستعان على ما تصفون.
And they brought his shirt stained with fake blood. He said, "Rather, your hearts have fabricated an excuse for you. So, for me, patience is good, and only from Allah I seek help against the matters that you relate."
وجاءت سيارة فأرسلوا واردهم فأدلى دلوه قال يا بشرى هذا غلام وأسروه بضاعة والله عليم بما يعملون.
And there came a caravan. They therefore sent their water drawer. He therefore lowered his bucket. He said, "Ah, what a pleasant surprise. This is actually a boy." And they hid him as treasured merchandise. And Allah knows what they do.
وشروه بثمن بخس دراهم معدودة وكانوا فيه من الزاهدين.
And the brothers sold him for a low value of limited dirhams, silver coins, and they had no interest in him.
وقال الذي اشتراه من مصر لامرأته أكرمي مثواه عسى أن ينفعنا أو نتخذه ولدا وكذلك مكنا ليوسف في الأرض ولنعلمه من تأويل الأحاديث والله غالب على أمره ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
And the Egyptian who purchased him said to his wife, "Keep him with honor. He may be beneficial to us. We may adopt him as our son." And this is how we established Yusuf in the land of Egypt, and in order that we may teach him how to interpret dreams. And Allah is dominant upon his works, but most people know not.
ولما بلغ أشده آتيناه حكما وعلما وكذلك نجزي المحسنين.
And when he matured to his full strength, we bestowed upon him the skill of decision-making and particularly the knowledge of interpreting dreams. And this is how we reward the virtuous.
وراودته التي هو في بيتها عن نفسه وغلقت الأبواب وقالت هيت لك قال معاذ الله إنه ربي أحسن مثواي إنه لا يفلح الظالمون.
And that woman whose house he was in tried to seduce him against his will, that he may not stop himself. She closed all the doors and said, "Come, I am addressing you." He said, "I seek refuge in Allah. The governor is my master," meaning nourisher. He kept me well. Undoubtedly, the unjust will never prosper.
وَلَقَدْ هَمَّتْ بِهِ وَهَمَّ بِهَا لَوْلَا أَن رَّأَىٰ بُرْهَانَ رَبِّهِ كَذَلِكَ لِنَصْرِفَ عَنْهُ السُّوءَ وَالْفَحْشَاءَ إِنَّهُ مِنْ عِبَادِنَا الْمُخْلَصِينَ.
And the women indeed intended for him, and he too would have intended for the women if he would not have seen the proof from his Lord. We did that, i.e., showed him the proof to move evil and indecency away from him. Indeed, he is one of our chosen bondsmen.
واستبق الباب وقدت قميصه من دبر وألف يا سيدها لدى الباب قالت ما جزاء من أراد بأهلك سوءا إلا أن يسجن أو عذاب أليم.
And they both ran towards the door, and the woman tore his shirt from behind, and they both found her husband at the door. She said, "What is the punishment of the one who sought evil with your wife? But this, that he should be imprisoned or subjected to painful torture."
قال هي راودتني عن نفسي وشهد شاهد من أهلها إن كان قميصه قد من قبل فصدقت وهو من الكاذبين.
Said Yusuf, "It was she who tried to lure me, that I should not protect myself, and a witness, i.e., the child from her own household testified. If his shirt is torn from the front, the woman is therefore truthful, and he has said wrong.
وإن كان قميصه قد من دبر فكذبت وهو من الصادقين.
And if his shirt is torn from behind, the woman is therefore a liar, and he is truthful."
فلما رأى قميصه قد من دبر قال إنه من كيدكن إن كيدكن عظيم.
When the governor saw his shirt torn from behind, he said, "Indeed, this is a deception of you women. Undoubtedly, your deception is great."
يوسف أعرض عن هذا واستغفري لذنبك إنك كنت من الخاطئين.
O Yusuf, do not think of it, and O women, seek forgiveness for your sin. Indeed, you are of the culprits.
وقال نسوة في المدينة امرأة العزيز تراود فتاها عن نفسه قد شغفها حبا إنا لنراها في ضلال مبين.
And some women of the city said, the governor's wife is seducing her young slave. Indeed, his love has taken root in her heart, and we find her clearly lost in his love.
فلما سمعت بمكرهن أرسلت إليهن وأعتدت لهن متكئا وآتت كل واحدة منهن سكينا وقالت اخرج عليهن فلما رأينه أكبرنه وقطعن أيديهن وقلن حاش لله ما هذا بشرا إن هذا إلا ملك كريم.
And when Zulaykha heard of their rumors, she sent an invitation to those women and prepared cushioned seating for them and gave each of them a knife and said to Yusuf, come forth to them. When the women saw Yusuf, they began praising him and cut their hands and said, glory be to Allah, this is not a human being, this is not but some honorable angel.
قالت فذلكن الذي لمتنني فيه ولقد راودته عن نفسه فاستعصم ولئن لم يفعل ما آمره ليسجنن وليكونن من الصاغرين.
Zulaykha said, so this is the one regarding whom you used to taunt me, and I indeed tried to entice him. He henceforth safeguarded himself. And if he will indeed not do what I tell him to do, he will definitely be imprisoned and he will definitely be humiliated.
قال رب السجن أحب إلي مما يدعونني إليه وإلا تصرف عني كيدهن أصب إليهن وأكن من الجاهلين.
Yusuf said humbly, O my Lord, prison is dearer to me than the evil deed they invite me towards. And if you do not cast aside their deception, i.e., enticement from me, and I could incline towards them and become unwise.
فاستجاب له ربه فصرف عنه كيدهن إنه هو السميع العليم.
So his Lord answered his supplication and cast aside the deceit of the women away from him. Indeed, only he is the all-hearing, the all-knowing.
ثم بدا لهم من بعد ما رأوا الآيات ليسجننه حتى حين.
Then even after seeing all the signs, they finally reached this conclusion that they should get him imprisoned for some time.
ودخل معه السجن فتيان قال أحدهما إني أراني أعصر خمرا وقال الآخر إني أراني أحمل فوق رأسي خبزا تأكل الطير منه نبئنا بتأويله إنا نراك من المحسنين.
And two young men went to prison along with him. One of them said, I dreamt that I am extracting wine The other said, I dreamt that I am carrying some breads upon my head from which birds are eating. Tell us their interpretation. Indeed, we see that you are virtuous.
قال لا يأتيكما طعام ترزقانه إلا نبأتكما بتأويله قبل أن يأتيكما ذلكما مما علمني ربي إني تركت ملة قوم لا يؤمنون بالله وهم بالآخرة هم كافرون.
Said Yusuf, the food which you receive will not reach you, but I will tell you the interpretation of this before it comes to you. This is one of the sciences my Lord has taught me. Indeed, I do not accept the religion of the people who do not believe in Allah and are deniers of the hereafter.
واتبعت ملة آبائي إبراهيم وإسحاق ويعقوب ما كان لنا أن نشرك بالله من شيء ذلك من فضل الله علينا وعلى الناس ولكن أكثر الناس لا يشكرون.
And I have chosen the religion of my forefathers Ibrahim and Ishaq and Yaqub. It is not befitting for us to ascribe anything as a partner to Allah. This is a bounty of Allah upon us and upon the people, but most people are not grateful.
يا صاحبي السجن أأرباب متفرقون خير أم الله الواحد القهار.
O both my fellow prisoners, are many separate lords better, or one Allah who is dominant over all?
ما تعبدون من دونه إلا أسماء سميتموها أنتم وآباؤكم ما أنزل الله بها من سلطان إن الحكم إلا لله أمر ألا تعبدوا إلا إياه ذلك الدين القيم ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
You do not worship other than Him, but merely assumed names devised by you and your forefathers. Allah has not sent down any proof regarding them. There is no command but that of Allah. He has commanded that you do not worship anyone except Him. This is the straight religion, but most people know not.
يا صاحبي السجن أما أحدكما فيسقي ربه خمرا وأما الآخر فيصلب فتأكل الطير من رأسه قضي الأمر الذي فيه تستفتيان.
O my two fellow prisoners, one of you will give his lord the king wine to drink. As for the other, he will be crucified. Birds will therefore eat from his head. The command has been issued concerning the matter you had inquired about.
وقال للذي ظن أنه ناج منه اذكرني عند ربك فأنساه الشيطان ذكر ربه فلبث في السجن بضع سنين.
And of the two, Yusuf said to the one whom he thought would be saved, remember me in the company of your Lord the king. The devil therefore caused him to forget to mention Yusuf to his Lord. So Yusuf stayed in prison for several more years.
وقال الملك إني أرى 7 بقرات سمان يأكلهن 7 عجاف و7 سنبلات خضر وأخر يابسات يا أيها الملأ أفتوني في رؤياي إن كنتم للرؤيا تعبرون.
And the king said, I saw in a dream 7 healthy cows, that 7 skinny cows are eating them, and 7 green ears of corn and 7 others dry. O courtiers, interpret my dreams if you can interpret dreams.
قالوا أضغاث أحلام وما نحن بتأويل الأحلام بعالمين.
They answered, these are confusing dreams, and we do not know the interpretation of dreams.
وقال الذي نجا منهما وادكر بعد أمة أنا أنبئكم بتأويله فأرسلون.
And of the 2 prisoners, the one who was saved said, and after a long time he remembered, I will tell you its interpretation, therefore send me forth to Yusuf.
يوسف أيها الصديق أفتنا في 7 بقرات سمان يأكلهن 7 عجاف و7 سنبلات خضر وأخر يابسات لعلي أرجع إلى الناس لعلهم يعلمون.
O Yusuf, O truthful one, interpret to us a dream about 7 healthy cows, whom 7 skinny cows are eating, and 7 green ears of corn, and 7 other dry ones, so that I may return to the people. Perhaps they may come to know its interpretation.
قال تزرعون 7 سنين دأبا فما حصدتم فذروه في سنبله إلا قليلا مما تأكلون.
He said, you will cultivate for 7 years continuously, so leave all that you harvest in the ear, except however much you may eat.
ثم يأتي من بعد ذلك 7 شداد يأكل ما قدمتم لهن إلا قليلا مما تحصنون.
After that will then come 7 difficult years of drought that will consume all that you had kept stored for them already, except a little which you may save for replanting.
ثم يأتي من بعد ذلك عام فيه يغاث الناس وفيه يعصرون.
After that will then come a year in which the people will be given rain and in which they will extract juice.
وقال الملك ائتوني به فلما جاءه الرسول قال ارجع إلى ربك فاسأله ما بال النسوة اللاتي قطعن أيديهن إن ربي بكيدهن عليم.
And the king said, bring him to me. When the envoy therefore came to him, Yusuf said, return to your lord, i.e., king, and ask him what is the state of the women who had cut their hands. Indeed, my lord, Allah knows their deception.
قال ما خطبكن إذ راودتن يوسف عن نفسه قلنا حاش لله ما علمنا عليه من سوء قالت امرأة العزيز الآن حصحص الحق أنا راودته عن نفسه وإنه لمن الصادقين.
The king said, O women, what was your role when you tried to entice Yusuf? They answered, Glory be to Allah, we did not find any immorality in him. The wife of the governor said, The truth has now become manifest. I tried to entice him, and he is indeed truthful.
ذلك ليعلم أني لم أخنه بالغيب وأن الله لا يهدي كيد الخائنين.
Said Yusuf, I did this so that the governor may realize that I did not betray him behind his back, and Allah does not let the deceit of betrayers be successful.
وما أبرئ نفسي إن النفس لأمارة بالسوء إلا ما رحم ربي إن ربي غفور رحيم.
And I do not describe my own self free from blame. Undoubtedly, the baser self commands evil excessively, except upon whom my Lord has mercy. Indeed, my Lord is most forgiving, ever merciful.
وقال الملك ائتوني به أستخلصه لنفسي فلما كلمه قال إنك اليوم لدينا مكين أمين.
And the king said, Bring him to me, so that I may select him specially for myself. Then when the king, spoke to him, the king said, Indeed, today you are with us as the honorable, the trusted.
قال اجعلني على خزائن الأرض إني حفيظ عليم.
Said Yusuf, Appoint me as an authority over the treasures of the land. Indeed, I am a protector, knowledgeable.
وكذلك مكنا ليوسف في الأرض يتبوأ منها حيث يشاء نصيب برحمتنا من نشاء ولا نضيع أجر المحسنين.
And this is how we gave Yusuf control over that land to live therein wherever he desires. We may convey our mercy to whomever we will, and we do not waste the reward of the righteous.
وَلَأَجْرُ الْآخِرَةِ خَيْرٌ لِلَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَكَانُوا يَتَّقُونَ.
And the reward of the hereafter is undoubtedly better for those who accepted faith and remained pious.
وجاء إخوة يوسف فدخلوا عليه فعرفهم وهم له منكرون.
And the brothers of Yusuf came and thus presented themselves before him. Yusuf therefore recognized them, whereas they remained unaware of him.
ولما جهزهم بجهازهم قال ائتوني بأخ لكم من أبيكم ألا ترون أني أوفي الكيل وأنا خير المنزلين.
And when he provided them with their luggage of food, he said, Bring your stepbrother to me. Do you not see that I measure in full and that I am the best in hospitality?
فإن لم تأتوني به فلا كيل لكم عندي ولا تقربون.
If you do not then bring him to me, there shall therefore be no measure, i.e., provisions for you with me, and do not ever come near me.
قالوا سنراود عنه أباه وإنا لفاعلون.
They said, We will request for him from his father, and this we have to do.
وقال لفتيانه اجعلوا بضاعتهم في رحالهم لعلهم يعرفونها إذا انقلبوا إلى أهلهم لعلهم يرجعون.
And Yusuf said to his servants, place their money into their sacks. Perhaps they may recognize it when they return to their home. Perhaps they may return.
فلما رجعوا إلى أبيهم قالوا يا أبانا منع منا الكيل فأرسل معنا أخانا نكتل وإنا له لحافظون.
So when they returned to their father, they said, "O our father, the provision has been denied to us for the future. Hence, send our brother with us, so that we may bring the provision, and we will definitely protect him."
قال هل آمنكم عليه إلا كما أمنتكم على أخيه من قبل فالله خير حافظا وهو أرحم الراحمين.
He said, "Shall I trust you regarding him the same way I had trusted you before regarding his brother?" So, Allah is the best protector, and He is more merciful than all those who show mercy.
ولما فتحوا متاعهم وجدوا بضاعتهم ردت إليهم قالوا يا أبانا ما نبغي هذه بضاعتنا ردت إلينا ونمير أهلنا ونحفظ أخانا ونزداد كيل بعيد ذلك كيل يسير.
And when they opened their luggage, they found that their money had been returned to them. They said, "O our father, what more can we ask for? This is our money which has been returned to us, and we may bring the provision for our homes and guard our brother and get an extra camel load." This granting of load is insignificant for the king, Yusuf.
قال لن أرسله معكم حتى تؤتون موثقا من الله لتأتونني به إلا أن يحاط بكم فلما آتوه موثقهم قال الله على ما نقول وكيل.
He said, "I shall never send him with you until you give me that solemn pledge of Allah that you will definitely bring him back, unless you are surrounded by enemies whilst being compelled." And when they gave Yaqub a solemn pledge, he said, "Allah's guarantee is upon what we say."
وقال يا بني لا تدخلوا من باب واحد وادخلوا من أبواب متفرقة وما أغني عنكم من الله من شيء إن الحكم إلا لله عليه توكلت وعليه فليتوكل المتوكلون.
And he said, "O my sons, do not enter through one gate and enter through different gates, and I cannot save you against Allah. Command is only of Allah. I relied upon only Him, and all those who rely should rely upon only Him."
ولما دخلوا من حيث أمرهم أبوهم ما كان يغني عنهم من الله من شيء إلا حاجة في نفس يعقوب قضاها وإنه لذو علم لما علمناه ولكن أكثر الناس لا يعلمون.
And when they entered from the place where their father had commanded, that would not at all have saved them against Allah. Yes, there was a wish in the heart of Yaqub, which he fulfilled. And he, Yaqub, is indeed a possessor of knowledge by our teaching, but most people know not.
ولما دخلوا على يوسف آوى إليه أخاه قال إني أنا أخوك فلا تبتئس بما كانوا يعملون.
And when they went to Yusuf, he gave his brother a place next to him. Yusuf said, "Be assured, I really am your brother, so for whatever they do, do not grieve."
فلما جهزهم بجهازهم جعل السقاية في رحل أخيه ثم أذن مؤذن أيتها العير إنكم لسارقون.
Then, when he had provided them their goods of food, he put a drinking cup also used for measuring in his brother's saddlebag. And an announcer then called, "O people of the caravan, you are indeed thieves."
قالوا وأقبلوا عليهم ماذا تفقدون.
They said, turning towards them, "What is it that you cannot find?"
قالوا نفقد صواع الملك ولمن جاء به حمل بعير وأنا به زعيم.
They said, "We cannot find the king's measuring cup, and for him who brings it is a camel load of food as a reward, and I am its guarantor."
قالوا تالله لقد علمتم ما جئنا لنفسد في الأرض وما كنا سارقين.
They said, "By Allah, you know very well that we did not come to cause turmoil in the land, nor are we thieves."
قالوا فما جزاؤه إن كنتم كاذبين.
They said, "And what shall be the punishment for him if you're liars?"
قالوا جزاؤه من وجد في رحله فهو جزاؤه كذلك نجزي الظالمين.
They said, "The punishment for him is that he, in whose bag it is found, himself shall become a slave in recompense for it. This is how we punish the unjust."
فبدأ بأوعيتهم قبل وعاء أخيه ثم استخرجها من وعاء أخيه كذلك كدنا ليوسف ما كان ليأخذ أخاه في دين الملك إلا أن يشاء الله نرفع درجات من نشاء وفوق كل ذي علم عليم.
So he, Yusuf, first searched their bags before his brother's bag, then took it out from his brother's bag. This was the plan we had taught Yusuf, yet he did not have the right to take his brother according to the law of the king of Egypt, except if Allah wills. We may raise in ranks whomsoever we will, and above every possessor of knowledge is one more knowledgeable.
قالوا إن يسرق فقد سرق أخ له من قبل فأسرها يوسف في نفسه ولم يبدها لهم قال أنتم شر مكانا والله أعلم بما تصفون.
The brothers said, "If he steals, so one brother has indeed stolen before him." So Yusuf kept this in his heart and did not reveal it to them. He said within himself, "You are in a worse position, and Allah knows well the matters which you fabricate."
قالوا يا أيها العزيز إن له أبا شيخا كبيرا فخذ أحدنا مكانه إنا نراك من المحسنين.
They said, "O governor, he has a very old father. Therefore, take one of us in his place. Indeed, we are witnessing your favors."
قال معاذ الله أن نأخذ إلا من وجدنا متاعنا عنده إنا إذا لظالمون.
He said, I seek the refuge of Allah that we should take anyone other than him with whom our goods were found. We would therefore be unjust.
فلما استيئسوا منه خلصوا نجيا قال كبيرهم ألم تعلموا أن أباكم قد أخذ عليكم موثقا من الله ومن قبل ما فرطتم في يوسف فلن أبرح الأرض حتى يأذن لي أبي أو يحكم الله لي وهو خير الحاكمين.
Then, when they lost hope in him, they went aside and started discussing with each other in secrecy. Their eldest brother said, Do you not know that your father has taken from you a solemn pledge of Allah, and before this, how you had fallen short in your duty regarding Yusuf? Therefore, I will not move from here until my father permits or Allah commands me, and His command is the best.
ارجعوا إلى أبيكم فقولوا يا أبانا إن ابنك سرق وما شهدنا إلا بما علمنا وما كنا للغيب حافظين.
Return to your father and then say humbly, O our father, indeed your son has stolen, and we were witnesses only to what we had in our knowledge, and we were not watchful of the matters of the unseen.
واسأل القرية التي كنا فيها والعير التي أقبلنا فيها وإنا لصادقون.
And ask the people of that town in which we were, and the people of the caravan with which we came, and we are indeed truthful.
قال بل سولت لكم أنفسكم أمرا فصبر جميل عسى الله أن يأتيني بهم جميعا إنه هو العليم الحكيم.
Said Yaqub, your baser selves have fabricated for you some excuse. Patience is henceforth good for me. It is near that Allah will bring all of them to me. Undoubtedly, only He is the all-knowing, the wise.
وتولى عنهم وقال يا أسفا على يوسف وابيضت عيناه من الحزن فهو كظيم.
And he turned away from them and said, Alas, my sorrow for the separation from Yusuf, and his eyes turned white with sorrow, i.e., he became blind. He therefore kept suppressing his anger.
قالوا تالله تفتأ تذكر يوسف حتى تكون حرضا أو تكون من الهالكين.
They said, By Allah, you will keep remembering Yusuf until you are close to death, or you may even pass away.
قال إنما أشكو بثي وحزني إلى الله وأعلم من الله ما لا تعلمون.
He said, I plead only to Allah in my worry and grief, and I know those grandeurs of Allah which you know not.
يا بني اذهبوا فتحسسوا من يوسف وأخيه ولا تيأسوا من روح الله إنه لا ييأس من روح الله إلا القوم الكافرون.
O sons, go search for Yusuf and his brother, and do not lose hope in the mercy of Allah. Indeed, no one loses hope in the mercy of Allah except the disbelievers.
فلما دخلوا عليه قالوا يا مسنا وأهلنا الضر وجئنا ببضاعة مزجاة فأوف لنا الكيل وتصدق علينا إن الله يجزي المتصدقين.
Then when they reached Yusuf, they said, O governor, calamity has struck us and our household, and we have brought an insignificant amount of capital. Therefore, give us the full measure and give us some as charity. Undoubtedly, Allah rewards the charitable.
قال هل علمتم ما فعلتم بيوسف وأخيه إذ أنتم جاهلون.
He said, Are you aware of what you did to Yusuf and his brother when you were unwise?
قالوا أئنك لأنت يوسف قال أنا يوسف وهذا أخي قد من الله علينا إنه من يتق ويصبر فإن الله لا يضيع أجر المحسنين.
They said, Are you really in truth Yusuf? He said, I am Yusuf, and this is my brother. Indeed, Allah has bestowed favor upon us. Undoubtedly, whoever practices piety and patience, Allah does not henceforth waste the reward of the righteous.
قالوا تالله لقد آثرك الله علينا وإن كنا لخاطئين.
They said, By Allah, undoubtedly, Allah has given you superiority over us, and we were indeed wrongful.
قال لا تثريب عليكم اليوم يغفر الله لكم وهو أرحم الراحمين.
He said, There is no criticism on you this day. May Allah forgive you, and He is the greatest of all those who show mercy.
اذهبوا بقميصي هذا فألقوه على وجه أبي يأت بصيرا وأتوني بأهلكم أجمعين.
Take this shirt of mine and place it on my father's face. His vision will be restored, and bring your entire household to me.
ولما فصلت العير قال أبوهم إني لأجد ريح يوسف لولا أن تفندون.
When the caravan left Egypt, their father said on this occasion, Indeed, I find the fragrance of Yusuf if you do not refer to me as a senile.
قالوا تالله إنك لفي ضلالك القديم.
The son said, By Allah, you are still deeply engrossed in that same old love of yours.
فلما أن جاء البشير ألقاه على وجهه فارتد بصيرا قال ألم أقل لكم إني أعلم من الله ما لا تعلمون.
Then, when the bearer of glad tidings came, he placed the shirt on the face of Yaqub. He immediately regained his eyesight. He said, Did I not tell you? I know those grandeurs of Allah which you know not.
قالوا يا أبانا استغفر لنا ذنوبنا إنا كنا خاطئين.
They said, O our father, seek forgiveness for our sins. Indeed, we are wrongful.
قال سوف أستغفر لكم ربي إنه هو الغفور الرحيم.
He said, I shall soon seek forgiveness for you from my Lord. Indeed, only He is the most forgiving, the most merciful.
فلما دخلوا على يوسف آوى إليه أبويه وقال ادخلوا مصر إن شاء
So when they all reached Yusuf, he gave a place to his parents next to him and said, "Enter Egypt, Allah willing, with safety."
ورفع أبويه على العرش وخروا له سجدا وقال يا أبت هذا تأويل رؤياي من قبل قد جعلها ربي حقا وقد أحسن بي إذ أخرجني من السجن وجاء بكم من البدو من بعد أن نزغ الشيطان بيني وبين إخوتي إن ربي لطيف لما يشاء إنه هو العليم الحكيم.
And he made his parents sit on the throne, and they all fell down in prostration to him. And Yusuf said, "O my father, this is the interpretation of my earlier dream. Undoubtedly, my Lord has made it true, and he has indeed bestowed favor upon me, that he brought me out of the prison and brought you all out from the village after the devil had created conflict between me and my brothers. Indeed, my Lord may make easy whatsoever he wills. Undoubtedly, he is the all-knowing, the wise."
رب قد آتيتني من الملك وعلمتني من تأويل الأحاديث فاطر السماوات والأرض أنت ولي في الدنيا والآخرة توفني مسلما وألحقني بالصالحين.
O my Lord, you have indeed given me a kingdom and have taught me how to deduce the solutions of some matters, i.e., interpreting dreams. O Creator of the heavens and the earth, you are my supporter in this world and in the hereafter. Cause me to die as a Muslim and include me with those who deserve your closeness.
ذلك من أنباء الغيب نوحيه إليك وما كنت لديهم إذ أجمعوا أمرهم وهم يمكرون.
These are some news of the unseen which we revealed to you, O beloved, and you were not with them physically when they put together their plan firmly and they were scheming.
وما أكثر الناس ولو حرصت بمؤمنين.
And most people will not believe no matter how much you desire it.
وما تسألهم عليه من أجر إن هو إلا ذكر للعالمين.
And you, O beloved, do not ask them any recompense in return for it. This is not but advice to the entire world.
وكأي من آية في السماوات والأرض يمرون عليها وهم عنها معرضون.
And how many signs exist in the heavens and the earth that most people encounter and yet remain unaware of them.
وما يؤمن أكثرهم بالله إلا وهم مشركون.
And most of them are those who do not believe in Allah except whilst ascribing partners.
أفأمنوا أن تأتيهم غاشية من عذاب الله أو تأتيهم الساعة بغتة وهم لا يشعرون.
Have they become fearless that the punishment of Allah will come to surround them, or the day of judgment may arrive suddenly upon them and they are unaware?
قل هذه سبيلي أدعو إلى الله على بصيرة أنا ومن اتبعني وسبحان الله وما أنا من المشركين.
Say you, O beloved, this, i.e., Islamic Sharia, is my path. I call towards Allah. I and those who follow my footsteps have insight, and glory is to Allah, and I'm not a polytheist.
وما أرسلنا من قبلك إلا رجالا نوحي إليهم من أهل القرى أفلم يسيروا في الأرض فينظروا كيف كان عاقبة الذين من قبلهم ولدار الآخرة خير للذين اتقوا أفلا تعقلون.
And all the messengers we sent before you were only men towards whom we sent revelation and were dwellers of towns. So have these people not traveled the land and seen the outcome of those before them? And the abode of the hereafter is undoubtedly better for the pious. So do you not have sense?
حتى إذا استيأس الرسل وظنوا أنهم قد كذبوا جاءهم نصرنا فنجي من نشاء ولا يرد بأسنا عن القوم المجرمين.
To the extent that when messengers lost hope of apparent means, and the people thought that the messengers had informed them incorrectly, at that time our help came for the believers. So whosoever we willed was saved, and our punishment is never averted from the criminals.
لقد كان في قصصهم عبرة لأولي الألباب ما كان حديثا يفترى ولكن تصديق الذي بين يديه وتفصيل كل شيء وهدى ورحمة لقوم يؤمنون.
Indeed, the stories of the prophets are a lesson for the people of understanding. This, i.e., the Quran is not some made-up story, but a confirmation of the books before it and a detailed explanation of all things and guidance and mercy for the Muslims.
صدق الله العظيم.